Welcome to structural steel, welded connection. Please, enter your company name here. Now, create new project. Then, fill up the necessary project information. Now, click Add Structural Steel. There are two ways to add. One on the ribbon and the other is on the steel data. The new window will appear. Choose what type of structure you want to estimate. It's either steel column or steel beam. Let us look for the example. In this floor framing plan, we have column shape of W14 by 132 pounds, and the height of 9.3 meters, with a quantity of 48 pieces. The second floor beam, with the shape of W18 by 97 pounds and the quantity is 42 pieces by 6 meters, the other is 40 pieces by 5 meters. The deck floor beam is W16 by 67 pounds, quantity of 42 pieces by 6 meters, and the other is 40 pieces by 5 meters. The base plate thickness is 25 millimeters, the width is 500 millimeters, and the length is 500 millimeters, with a hole of 12 pieces. The anchor bolt diameter is 25 millimeters. The length is 400 millimeters, with 50 millimeters hook. Now, click the shape of the steel column, and choose W14 by 132 pounds, enter the height of column. The quantity of column, and the source length of steel column. Now, if the column has a base plate, it should be put to on mode. The thickness of the base plate is 25 millimeters. Width of 500 millimeters, length of 500 millimeters, with a hole of 12 pieces. The anchor bolt diameter of 25 millimeters. Width of 500 millimeters. Length of 500 millimeters. And, with a hole of 12 pieces. The anchor bolt. This is the anchor bolt with the hook. Diameter of 25 millimeters. The length of 400 millimeters, including hook of 50 millimeters. Now, the default paint coat for primer is 1. OK, let's go to the bill of material. Click the bill of materials. The materials and the working crew is automatically created. Check the weight of steel and the duration. This duration is based on the default construction method, which is the equipment boom lift. If you choose the manual boom lift, noticed the duration has changed. Now, enter the rental rate for the equipment, the cost for mobilization and demobilization. The total hour needed is automatically calculated. Alright, check the material description, the quantity, the unit cost, and the amount. The working crew. The ideal crew are 1 leadman, 5 welders, and 1 painter. You can change the number of manpower here. Now, check the labor and material cost. The unit cost, per kilogram. If you want to print this bill of materials, just click the small print icon and click OK. Thank you for watching.